It is winter and it is cold. Your dog's winter coat should keep him warm, right? Contrary to popular belief, your pet's winter coat needs the same, if not more, grooming and attention than a summer coat to keep him comfortable and healthy. Let us look at dog grooming in winter. The first topic up for discussion is whether grooming during the winter is important or even necessary. And the answer is yes. Absolutely yes. Dogs will grow a winter coat for the coldest season. Even short-haired pets will shed more, and you will notice they leave bits of their coat behind everywhere they go. The undercoat of double-coated breeds will become thicker during the winter months to keep them warm. How amazing is Mother Earth? See the undercoat as a dog's wool sweater. By this, I mean the undercoat will become dirty, matted, and wet, especially if he spends time outdoors. And like with a wool sweater, if the undercoat is not allowed a chance to breathe, it can take forever to dry, become miserably uncomfortable, and, after a while, start to smell a little funky. Without grooming, a dog's undercoat will eventually cause him to feel colder rather than warmer, and increase the dog's risk for weather-related illnesses. A matted undercoat can lead to parasite infestations, hot shots developing, trapped dirt and debris, causing dermatological issues and other health concerns. By brushing the coat during the winter months, groomers are removing dead hair and excessive undercoat, stimulating the skin and coat, leading to the dog feeling and looking more comfortable and healthier. If Susie does not take her Labradoodle to visit her local groomers during the winter, the negative impact once summer arrives will be that her dog will need to be shaved short with a number 10 blade to remove the matted coat. This may leave her designer Labradoodle looking more like a naked sheep. The effect on the groomer himself will be that the first grooming session in the summer will be a difficult one, also dulling the clippers quicker. During the cold winter months, a dog's skin and coat will dry out because of dry air and indoor heating. Dry skin that is not managed properly can lead to itching, hot spots, and all sorts of discomfort for the dog. Regular bathing with a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner will maintain good skin health and leave your clients' coats all shiny and new. When bathing dogs in the winter, just make sure to dry them completely. The coat should be bone dry. You don't want your furry clients to catch a cold. A dog's coat and skin are not the only areas that need attention, but the paws as well, especially if you live in a country that is prone to snowfall during the cold winter months. A variety of chemicals and salts which are poisonous to dogs are used to melt ice on sidewalks and outdoor walkways. They can get stuck in the hair between the toes and pads. Dogs tend to lick their paws after walks over rock salt, which could lead to gastrointestinal disturbances as well as electrolyte issues in some cases. Inform dog owners to always wipe their dog's paws after a walk outside, and shaving and keeping the paw pads short will make everything easier. A Schnauzer must only show off his stylish trim during the summer months and can turn into a Chewbacca during the winter months. I mean, no one's going to see him, right? Wrong! Advise your customers to continue cutting their dog's hair in the winter, as many dog parents fail to regularly brush their fur in the winter, which results in a serious matting catastrophe come springtime. Maintaining their specific trim, but leaving the fur longer. This will keep your dog comfortable, especially if they're used to being shaved or trimmed. It will also make it easier for the owners to brush them daily and keep their coats in a good condition. There are many adorable warm doggy jackets available on the market that will make Schnookums look chic. Just a side note to provide your customer, dog jackets tend to knot and mat a dog's coat quicker. Keeping the dog clipped will reduce this from happening. The information just discussed should be passed on to your clientele. Most people are unaware of the benefits of grooming during the winter months, as some see it as unnecessary. Once this information is shared, I am sure your bookings will fill up very fast.